What do they say about a door closing? Ah, yes, another one opens. Share what you have been up to, celebrate your wins, and make it more you with stylized content and photos to commemorate the moment. Cheer for each other's feats, or impart support and advice to those who are yet to achieve their own. Build your connections, literally, and get to know others just like you. Cut down on unfruitful job hunting trips and find jobs near you, wherever you are with WICKET's Drift. Discover job vacancies that are apt to your skills and preferences. Save those that interest you or immediately apply and start your journey with WICKET. With WICKET's KeyV Resume Builder, just think of a short but sweet and professional personal statement, select a template. There's your latest KeyV resume, packed and ready to showcase who you are to the world. Get notified and never miss the party and your shot to upcoming events and job fairs on WICKET. Introduce and showcase yourself to the professional world. Keep your info up to date. And your profile page quintessentially you. Welcome to the WICKET Metaverse. Create and customize how the virtual world sees you. Partake in the immersive virtual environment designed after real-life buildings and offices. Find out the companies participating in WICKET Metaverse upcoming event schedules and more at the concierge booth. Participate in job fair events and kickstart your journey to making your dreams a reality with WICKET. What do they say about a door closing again? Ah, yes, another one opens. Open the door to new possibilities with us. Join WICKET today